Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 277. So let's get started. First thing first, open control panel. Then click on network and internet. Then go to network and sharing center. Then go to change adapter settings. Then right click on the internet you are using. Then click on properties. Then go to internet protocol version 4. Then select use the following DNS server code address. Then type this code. After writing it, click on OK. Then close this app. The next step is to check your internet speed. Open your any browser. Then search for speedtest.net. Then click on enter. Then click on go. The minimum speed for playing Roblox is 4 Mbps per second. As you can see that I have 19 Mbps. I have a pretty good speed. Now close it. If you still facing the problem, I have another solution. Click on the search button and search for programs. You will see this add or remove programs. Click on it and search on the list Roblox. You can simply click on uninstall to uninstall it. So now you have to reinstall the app. Click on the search bars and search for Roblox. Download. Then click on the first official link. Then click on download Windows app. And it is downloaded. Open it. As you can see that it is installing. After this your problem will be solved. And that's how you fix Roblox Error Code 277. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.